morning, guys. So right now it is 7:45 a.m. I am not a morning person at all, like at all. I literally just woke up not even 20 minutes ago. Woke up, brushed my teeth. My makeup appointment is at 8 a.m. I have to do my appointment at 8 a.m. because I have to pick up a rental at 10 a.m. which is like, I believe, almost 40 minutes away from me. But long story short, I had a rental and they played me. So if you guys ever heard of the company Six rental company, don't run from them because they low-key tried to scam me. And I wasn't letting that happen at all. I told him he could drive his car to hell. Anyways, that's the story time for another time. I went to bed around 4:30 a.m. and then woke up at 7:25. Like, I'm tired. One thing about me, I need my sleep. In order for me to function properly throughout the day, I need sleep. I don't want to hear you gotta do it tired. I mean, you do have to do it tired. Matter of fact, quote of the day, do it tired. Maybe in like an hour or so, I'll be like more energized. But right now, nobody could talk to me. Like, nobody. And that's the thing too, when I wake up in the morning, that's the thing about me. Like, I don't want to talk to nobody. I don't want nobody looking at me. I don't want to look at you. Like, just let me be in my zone for a few seconds and let me get out of it. My birthday was really good yesterday. I went out to dinner and then I went to the bar after. Yesterday I was feeling really blessed and really appreciative of life. I'm not sure if I told you guys the story, but I got my nails done for free because it was my birthday. When I got my lashes done, my lash girl was like, oh, I could do the bottom sets for you and I can do all that for free. I'm like, no girl, it's fine. And then my hairstylist, she curled my hair for free. I'm on my way to get my makeup done and she said she's gonna do it for free. For the free! But yeah, I'm just like, I really feel appreciated. And that's the thing, I didn't ask anything for free, they just offered. Maybe, I think it could be because like I've been going to these people for a while. And I tip good, y'all gotta tip good, you know what I'm saying? So honestly, I should have woke up a little earlier so I can be on time. Like on time, like find parking on time. But I woke up at 7:25, I left my house at 7:47 and the place is 16 minutes away from me. But I'm good on time. I'm gonna get there at 7:57. So ain't nothing wrong with being a little late, a little 2 minutes late. I lied, that is wrong. 2023 and this whole year, the year of me being 26, I'm not doing that no more. I know I say that every vlog of me like doing something. I'm gonna work on time management, that's important. Guys, I'm actually mad right now because I left my makeup. I left my motherfucking makeup. Darn it. Say no, I left my damn makeup at home. I know she can match me, but I wanted to use my own makeup. Damn. I think I got time to go back. Probably not. Say no. If I go back, nah, I'll be like 30 minutes late for my appointment if I go back home. I don't know how I managed to do that. I left my damn makeup. I should have put that all out from the night before. Because the one thing about me, I'm very, very, very forgetful. Like, you can tell me something at 7:02. By 8:09, I don't remember what the hell you said. I don't know. My brain ain't braining right now. Y'all think I could take a plane back home? And get it real quick? I just got to my makeup appointment. And here's my girl. She literally just said to me, where's your stuff? I'm like, I just remembered that I forgot my stuff like 2 minutes ago. So she's gonna match me anyways.
I'm screaming at you just not posting your pictures too, by the way. I said, oh, look who I made up.
Not making it a birthday pose.
Exactly.
I want light eyebrows.
I'm
so tired.
What time did you go to sleep last night?
4:30?
In the morning?
Yeah. I was literally about to call you like, can you take me back at 9 o'clock?
Yeah.
Look at the eyes, y'all. She knows I don't like nothing dramatic, nothing too crazy. I just told her now, I'm scared of the foundation because I don't like a lot of foundation. She did her thing. Look how cute I look.
like that we came in here.
So I just finished getting my makeup done. I feel like she matched my skin really good. I was a little nervous. I kept telling her like, I'm a little nervous, but she actually fixed my eyebrows too. Well, not really fixed them, but she filled them in because my eyebrow lady, she took so much of my eyebrows off. Like it was ridiculous. So first of all, we're supposed to leave at 12:30. It is 1:30 because CJ wants to be 4 hours late. Geneve too. Like, how are you 4 hours late? And we got Randy driving the big body. Guys, so I curled my hair and it did not curl. The curls are dropping. Gang in the shade.
What's that, bro? Pray? Would you like your door? Is Michelle, you gonna pray before we leave?
Yes, yes, I was just.
Where's the napkins?
Alright, let's pray. My girl lit. Hey.
She love Batman.
Hey. My booty on ground.
Anything else? Y'all vlogging? Yeah. You got a YouTube page?
Let's start with two. Right here?
I want you all the way at the edge. All the way at the edge. Don't worry, don't worry. It's gonna be perfect.
Sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with them. Pray you get that job in time for that's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a piece of mind.
This one question is under pressure.
So look, we're gonna take a shot of clock, and after y'all can just clear this area so I can set up the mans, and we're gonna get this party started.
Alright, so shot o'clock starts now.
Oh yeah.
Alright.
Alright.
Which one had the most money? I'll tell you right now, I need a regular cup size. Happy birthday.
Motherfucking birthday that wasn't recorded.
Like a bag of money.
Yo, speaking about a bag of money, this mansion right here is $30 million. That's the guest house right there.
Period.
Always in my ear, your horse feet. Why my arches posting guns and catch me in the whip, ride with him. Sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with him. Pray you get that job in time for that's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah. Never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could action, no time for action. Lend you, a piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, fuck your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's.
Oh, you had a brownie?
My mama used to play that shit, see me in jail. It's fucked up, she got see me in jail. On a visit with Lil Pop, and her, even though I seen it be well. They got a smoker with a kid in my cell. Damn, and even worse, it's freeze. Could've put him in a cop car, but they. Watching a black woman take my freedom almost made me hate my people. When I hate when you feeling this.
Whoa, she off that 1942.
She said me cocky sweet like syrup. In a back fist down, in a chew up the shot.
What song? I need a song. Pick a song. What type of birthday bitch or is that Courtney? Birthday bitch, yeah. Okay, what type of birthday bitch?
Two bubbles? That birthday bitch?
Yeah. Who's that by? Who's that by?
Trap, Beckham,
Let's go on this
shit like that. Yo, put on birthday,
One time for the birthday bitch.
I want to say thanks everyone for coming. I really appreciate y'all. I love y'all. Thanks for supporting me. And I want to say more life, more love, more blessings. And I also want to say shout out to Elevate by BSC because we coming. I love you guys.
You mean?
CJ, we gotta do it again on my camera. Okay, I'm coming. Thank you.
We get it one time in the same spot, like iPhone. Where your ear drop, I mean not give a fuck if I not be a back. And everywhere me guy come in, we mean bloody gun king calamity. I saw we shoot up green figure Canada G, make him up.
Girl, I know you feel the yeah. So much to live for, too, baby. But let's not rush into it now. Let's not rush into it. When we get to it, we can give it all that we got.
It's your month and you know it, and you know it. And you know it's real, don't gotta. It's your fucking birthday. Happy birthday! It's a celebration. Baby! Happy birthday! It's your birthday, baby. It's your birthday. Reasons, don't be reading. Say your teeth. One time for the birthday bitch. Time for the birthday bitch. Fuck it every bitch birthday bitch. Fuck it every bitch birthday bitch. Fuck it every bitch birthday bitch.
I don't drink hard liquor. I do a shot of wine. A shot of wine. You do too, thank you. God did his thing when he made me. Yeah, we gotta shout you out. You gotta say. Make sure y'all don't put me in it. Okay, I'll put you in it. I forgot. JBOOGIES, Brooklyn Boating Tours. Amen. Make sure y'all tap in. It was amazing hospitality. Amazing.
You know this recording ain't gonna post it.
Amazing.
You can't wait to get to the body sprinter. She's not gonna post the body sprinter.
What? The sprinter? The baddie sprinter? Hey! Woo. Round 2. When y'all ready for round 2? August? August sound good. Yep, September.
September. You better catch me early like you did this time.
I will. Finally in Connecticut. What part of Connecticut are we at, you know?
Probably like Darien area.
Not the seams of the socks. Thank you. Where would I go? The bathroom? Yes, right here. Taking food. They spent $30 on McDonald's.
Because she usually more lit. She eat that brownie just like that.
I know, remember at your party bus? We were all lit. $30 on like 2 things from McDonald's.
I can't feel my lips.
Oh gosh.
I'm a sucker in them lips.
Oh, but your brother can't hang, look.
It happens. It's because he didn't eat properly this morning.
Get outside.
Move for your son, boy.
I was like, back the fuck up.
I know. That's what you think.
We here.
You're drunk.
I know that first sip of a soda.
That's your right fish.
No way. No way. You didn't do that? No way, bro.
You're ghetto. Got throw up on his pants. I mean his shoes. How you manage?
Still standing. It's not throw up.
Look at those fresh. He just wore those two today.
Those are your first time wearing them. You see?
Yo.
Do it again. Where you going? What? Turn me up, I'm trying to put me to
This is my fish fries. My fish fries are different. No, go.
my french fries are different.
Thank you.
And we're about walk up in a,
Look at them. They're like, what the fuck you gotta take it so long? They're trying to get home.
Babe, that $30 sandwich tastes good, huh?
Oh my God.
$30 sandwich from McDonald's. Ridiculous.
I know Jay not knocked out like that.
Jay can't hang.
Oh boy. We're here.
Not mouth open. Jay, mouth open. Give me some chocolate covered pretzel. Done already? That was just a burger? Kanisha, you okay?
We still here? I thought the fucking film was moving.
Because you said you was going to get me some
This shit was moving. It really got me on.
Part 2 at Jay shit.
Yo, y'all ate all this brownie.
But we gonna see if it gonna happen.
They can't hang. It's only 11 o'clock. I got you on camera. 4K.
We're gonna do part 2.
You whack.
Are they coming?
Yeah, part 2 tomorrow.
Huh? Y'all being whack. It's only 11 o'clock.
Yep. Stay by.
I'm trying to be outside.
Move the foot back.
We got 45 minutes.
Alright, is everyone in here? Why are we not listening to Late Night Love? Girl, bye. Friday night. Treat me like YTs. Don't get me dirty. Love on me. Happy birthday, Shayna!
I don't know what these niggas thinking about. Use a brain on your head.
Another G, look at my. I'm not ready for party, put your cups up. With the girl, I'm a freaky, I'm with the cup, them will get the big son. Rich. Sissy with the I swear to rock.
El cabrón vomitando, el hijo de puta. Míralo.